Hello, Room 15. Happy Sunday. Congratulations. You have finished the last Independence Study Packet number 5. In this video, I would like to show you how you submit your final PLP projects. Okay? Mathematics. Great Pommery Baking Show project. In this project, you will be graded on model drawing and oral presentation, so make sure to submit your Google slideshow. And if you have not presented yours yet, please make an appointment with me so that you can present it in front of me, okay? If you are one of those who did not submit your checkpoint 3, make sure to submit checkpoint 3 as well. You are going to reflect on your Google presentation and give your classmate feedback as well. If you click open the final product, you will see the guidelines, what you need to do in each slide. Most important part is the model drawing part. Make sure that you show your model drawing of your adjusted recipe to serve 40 people. Okay? Alright. Now, social service project, boom or bust project. In this project, you're creating an advertisement for your final product. Since you have already searched up the regions and fitting images in the checkpoints, all you need to do for your final product is to create a title, copy and paste the fitting images that you searched up, okay? Alright, here's an example. Take a look at the title and the image and convincing reasons why they have to come. Make sure that you add captions underneath your images. Alright? Okay. Now, reading and writing. We have just finished reading Esperanza Rising. So you learned about the characters and how they went through the hardships. Alright? So there are two ways that you can do the reading portion. So if you click open, you will see all the questions each day that assigned for you. And or you can just go ahead and open up the PowerPoint slideshow that we all shared, and at the last part you will see all those questions as well. So either way, that is fine, okay? That is the reading portion. Now writing. Writing portion is also aligned with our PLP project, Esperanza Rising Character Study, okay? In this project, you need to make a foldable. Let's make sure that you do two portions. There are questions and there are parts that you need to upload your foldables. Okay, don't forget to answer all those character analysis questions. What have you noticed when you are reading the book, okay? Underneath those questions, there are directions of what you need to do. How can you make the foldables, right? Section 1. You need to draw an image of the character and then make sure that you describe the character's point of view. Section 2, the middle column, you are going to write a list of the character's outer traits. Okay, how does he or she look? And section 3, the last column, you're going to write the list of the character's inner traits. What have you noticed? All right. Finally, you need to click the insert button, and then you're going to click image to drag, and you're going to upload the foldables. There are two parts, front and then back of it, because you chose two characters. In this case, you see Esperanza and Mom. I would love to see more descriptions in here as well. Okay, so make sure I am going to see two parts. One is going to be the foldable, the other is going to be your real answers to those questions. It's very important. I would like to see if you understood the character's point of views and what words you chose to describe those characters. Okay. That's the language arts part. Science, you know about it. And daily PLP. Until next week, because next week is our final week, I'm going to open up the PowerPoint focus areas content assessment window. So we still have time, okay? So don't forget, you can still make it, all right? And daily PE. That's it for our last packet. Now, about the packet submission. Okay, one of your parents or guardians will come to school to submit your work and school items, and they will pick up your items, okay? You need to return math textbook A and math textbook B, library books that you borrowed including Wonder, and your independent work. You have submitted most of your work electronically, including your PLP project. However, if you have non-electronic work such as the Esperanza writing foldables and social studies notes, then you need to bring them to school to submit them, okay? Your submission window is tomorrow, Monday, June the 1st from 3:30 to 6 p.m. or Tuesday, June the 2nd from 9 to 12. Here are a few pictures that I have already taken so that I can show you the classroom setting, okay? A little something from me, okay? And everyone has something. Everyone has a unique certificate based upon your character traits. Amazing. This is the classroom setting. Once they open up the door, the very first table is the table that they are going to return your work. The bins are for the library books, and all those tables are the textbooks. Textbook A and textbook B for math, and for social studies, if you upload the workbook pages, you can keep them. Or you can just rip off the pages and then you can turn them in. It's all up to you. As long as I see how you studied, you're fine. On the opposite side, you see all the cubbies. Inside the cubbies, there are your belongings and there are something from me as well. So everything from your cubbies, inside the cubbies, they all have to go. Maybe you can ask your parents or guardians to bring a small bag or backpack so that they can take them all home safely. Okay? All right. Okay? Oh, and happy birthdays, you guys. Even though we cannot see each other physically, okay? My happy birthdays to you guys, all right? Okay. This is it. You have worked so hard through distance learning, and I hope you all get the credit for your hard work. Please make sure that you submit your work as guided and email me if you have any concerns or questions. Okay, next week is our last week of school. We'll be sharing our work, reflecting on the year, and celebrating together. All right. Have a happy Sunday and see you tomorrow. Bye.